Hello, this is Ragnar Silverblood, and I'm going to be doing another loot box, Overwatch Uprising loot boxes. I went and I bought 50 more, and I've been doing some grinding, so I got 56 to open. So, there's my piece of paper. Shows what I already got. Alright, let's get this started. 56 boxes. Mostly at this point I'm looking for legendary skins. Legendary and need the Torbjorn legendary skin, I need the Genji, the Reinhardt epic skin, and the, what is it, the Tracer legendary skins. And Soldier 76 epic emote. So hopefully I can get a few of them. At this rate, I'm not gonna get them. Holy crap. Okay, here we go. I got the Soldier 76. Good. Happy. So now all I really do need are legendary skins and what is it? Reinhardt's epic skins. So. Oh, I got one of them. Alright, Ironclad. This is the one where his arm isn't all, you know, he's still got his arms, so that's good. Although I don't like, he has no beard, so. But that's good. I just got you. Really? Come on now, game. Stop this. What is this? This is just a victory pose. Whatever. Yeah, sure. Why not? Alright, let's see. Oh, come on. God dang it. Really? Oh, come on now. This is Orsa and frickin' Mercy. That's the third Mercy I've gotten. 'Cause I got two in my last video and now that one. Okay, here we go. And then He's lost his arm in this one, but I do like the beard, so that's good. That's good. I got Torbjorn down now, so all I need is the Tracer and Genji legendary skin and Reinhardt's epic skin. So, alright, I got 29 boxes left. So I think I can get it. I think I can get one of those at least. Although me probably saying that is jinxed me or something, so what is this? It's a legendary skin. Sure, why not? It's not one of the... I already have that. Legendary's legendary, but 25 to go. What is this? That's good. That's good. I got that. Diva's my main, so I like anything Diva. Boy, this is good. Come on. Please. Oh, come on, just give me Genji or Tracer. I can buy the Reinhardt one. Oh, nope. I just jinxed myself. Well, I got Reinhardt. That's okay. That's good. I like this. So Tracer and Genji is all that's left. And I got enough money where I can buy both. Even though I don't use either of those characters really. Ever. Oh, got the Tracer. Got the Tracer. That's a duplicate. Looks alright. I don't know, the hat kind of looks dumb. Whatever, I'll equip it. I don't care. Genji. Money. That's okay. Ah, that looks alright. 9 left. All I need is Genji. Is it? Oh, no. It's another Tracer one. I really don't like this one. I'm not a fan of pink hair or none of that. This she's wearing on her arms. Ugh. Well, it's still a legendary. So. What is this? I think that looks pretty cool. Alright, last box. Here we go. Nope. Well, that's my 56 Uprising loot boxes. I got almost everything now. I mean all I'm missing is the Genji legendary skin. Blackwatch. But other than that, I got everything else. I got Bastion's skin, Diva's highlight intro, Hanzo's emote, McCree, Mercy, their legendary skins, Orsa's legendary skin, Pharah's epic emote, Reinhardt's epic skin, Soldier's epic emote, both the Torbjorn legendary skins, the Torbjorn epic highlight intro, Tracer's legendary skin, Widowmaker's legendary skin, and Zenyatta's highlight intro. So I got them all, and I got plenty of money, to buy this. I suppose I'll wait till the very end just in case, because I'm still going to try to grind out more boxes. I mean you get, where is it? You can get 3 every couple of days, so I'm happy. It's going a lot better than the Year of the Dragon, so well, that's it for me. So, well, thank you for watching.